Okay?
Tabi kayo sa bed.
Ay, it's too much na yan. Ang dami mo nang sinasabi. Isa-isa lang.
Hug mama, hug mama lang. Hug na lang, hug naman. Hug lang. Hug. Say I love you. Tingin ka kay Miss B, please. Tingin ka kay Miss B, please. Say I love you. Just say I love you.
I love you.
Kiss Papa here.
Tumal siya. Bad na yan.
Say to mama, will you marry me?
Hoy, kantahan naman tayo. Tama na yan. Ano ba yan?
Tingin ka.
Hello! For today's video, may bibili lang tayo sa Magnolia and then, nagpapabili ng trash bag XL si Papa mo and papaya. And magdadala tayo ulit ng bird's nest sa kanya. At may nagpadala sa amin ng avocado and mangga. Dadalhin po namin kay Mr. B. I love you. Mall muna kami ni Katie. Babay kami ng mga kailangan. Love you. Kiss me. You say it again?
I love you, Mom.
Me too. That's your favorite? Bubble gum?
Yes.
Can I have more? One lang? Share tayo. Go! We're here at the grocery. Oh, you'll get papaya. Get papaya, baby. Here's a papaya. What's that, baby? Ang dami, anak. Anak, isa lang muna, please. Isa lang. One lang muna. One lang.
Price to.
One lang muna. Let's see. Anak, galing lang tayo ng grocery. Tama na yung bili mo.
Okay. Sabi mo malas mo sakta.
Masarap din to. Try. Ano binibili?
Same naman tayo ah.
Yes. Oh. Ayun o, XL na trash bag. Or two.
Kuha lang ng tubig ah.
Hindi ka nawala.
Yes po.
I love you.
I love you.
Buy mga Thai food. Magkano ate?
754.
Dalawang peso, isang bangus.
Tsaka isang additional
Kang, saka kangko. Yes.
Okay, I'm a princess. That's not my name.
Wait lang, can I see? Kaya?
Bigat.
It's mabigat, ba't kaya mo yan? And we're back, Katie! Hatid na naman po kami ng food. And mga kung anik-anik.
Deliver.
Delivery? The bird's nest. Ano yan?
Ano?
Bago? Dead hair don't care. Papakita talaga. Titikman ko lang kasi parang nakamasarap.
Yes.
Sabi nila kita ng vitamin C, oh.
I saw. Thank
Look
you.
at this. Oh. Chirin! Ayaw mo yung naglalaban ng kumukurang sa gusto mong kumain. Mag-arnica ka na, Chris, para matikman mo na to. Sarap! Sobrang sarap! Grabe! Healthy pa. It's corn.
May sila, may saling mama.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Uy, putik.
Ano yan?
Hey, spider.
So, hello mga my loves. Good luck sa aking hair. So, you know, as you can see, it's dry. Hindi tayo nagplansya ng buhok. So, ayan. Nakakatamad kasi magplansya talaga. Just, hindi ba pwedeng pagkagising maganda na yung buhok? Di ba? Kanta muna tayo dito mga my loves. Then you were far away and it's someone else. Though I know it's just a dream, told myself I'll always stay the same.
Papa.
I just want you
Malaglag
to
yung ulo na.
remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until.
Hug, Papa. Mama! Bakit nagboses?
Hello, bakit daw ng boses ko, Chris?
Say that.
Eh, Mama, you're not
Practice
Mana ka dyan.
voice.
Hug my
Mana
Papa
boses.
first.
Mana boses mo.
Hug my Papa.
Ma-
Papa first. Hug my Papa. I want sa AI, sorry, I want sa AI yan po eh. Hug Papa.
I will wait until.
I want you to hug my Papa. Dito.
Why are you crying like that? Yan.
Tabi kayo sa bed.
Ay, it's too much na yan. Ang dami mo nang sinasabi. Isa-isa lang.
Hug mama. Hug mama lang. Hug na lang. Hug naman. Hug lang. Hug. Say I love you. Tingin ka kay Miss B. Tingin ka kay Miss B, please. Say I love you. Just say I love you.
I love you.
Kiss Papa here.
Tumal siya. Bad na yan.
Say, Papa, say, sorry. Say to mama, will you marry me?
Hoy, kantahan naman tayo. Tama na yan. Ano ba yan? Kanta tayo sa baba.
Tripan mo kami.
Kaya nga, kanta tayo sa baba. Tama na yan.
Wish, ano siya, do it. Take me by the hand and wish.
Ganda.
Lagi kong package I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Till I fumble and fall, run into the wall. Out of control, just another fool. Sky tonight, it trembles like my heart. I'm dead alive. I can feel you want me to.
Alam ko to.
And if it's all should fall,
My sister used to
then
sing
maybe
this.
it's what we should do. Sana ay wag nang magising.
Ba't tumatawa ka, anak?
Ba't happy?
Paano daw sabihin sa'yo? Go, Katie.
Wala pa, kuya.
Go, baby.
Pakasend ko lang. Let's antayin natin.
See the light, see the park in the ball. Out to the garden to see Lincoln quiet.
Voice lesson 101 with Mr. B. Go.
And
Doon kayo sa I Get Lost.
I get lost
I get lost. Mali?
in your eyes.
In your eyes. Natatawa ako. I get lost in your eyes.
And it,
Ano? And ano?
and it.
And ano?
You have to put that in your mixed voice. And it.
My spirit. Ayan. Go. I get lost.
I get lost.
I get lost.
I Baba naman.
I get lost.
Yan.
And I feel... Ano? Ang hirap naman, please.
And I feel. So and I is in the mix. So
And I feel... And
how do
I
you feel?
And I feel... And I feel...
My spirit's right.
My spirit rise.
Yan. Kaya.
And I feel... My spirit rise. Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
Tapos yung nakuha.
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit rise.
Mali. Tama?
And then isn't this what you're romance?
Naubos yung boses.
Isn't this what's called romance?
Mali.
What's called romance? Ganun lang.
Isn't it that I am it? I get me in a glance.
Yan.
Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know, 'cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. Rise and soar like a wind.
O, diba?
Isn't it love that I am in?
Pwede naman pala eh.
I get me in a glance. Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know I'm what I'm heading for.
What's ito?
You can take me to the sky.
Parang kaya ko na ilang, please. Parang kailangan ko na ng magpadulas para makapag-voice lesson na. Parang sina-challenge ako ng kantang to, sandali. Hindi pwede yan. No, pampadulas, inom-inom tayong tubig dito. For my voice lesson, one-on-one. Grabe. Okay, dahil nakainom na tayo ng isa, ilab.
I'm lost in your eyes. Sometimes that we get tonight, and when I first knew was when I first.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid.
It takes forever. I would wait until tomorrow's true. And it only you care. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe.
Goodbye, Mr. B! Bye, Mr. B!
Bye bye.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Welcome! Let's go!